Are you interested in investing in Treasury bills but not sure where to start? In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of buying Treasury bills. Investing in Treasury bills is a great way to diversify your portfolio and earn a steady stream of income. Treasury bills, also known as T-bills, are short-term debt instruments issued by the government to raise funds for its activities. These securities have a maturity period ranging from 4 weeks to 1 year and are considered one of the safest investment options as they are backed by the full faith and credit of the United States government. First, you'll need to open an account with either treasurydirect.com or a reputable broker that offers Treasury bills. Make sure to research and choose a broker that fits your needs. Next, fund your account with the amount you want to invest in Treasury bills. This can usually be done through a bank transfer or by linking your bank account. Once your account is set up, the next step is to decide on the amount you want to invest. Once your account is funded, you can start browsing the available Treasury bills to purchase. You can choose the maturity date and the amount you want to invest. After selecting the Treasury bills you want to buy, review the terms and conditions before confirming your purchase. Make sure you understand the interest rate and maturity date. It's important to note that Treasury bills are sold at a discount and redeemed at face value upon maturity, meaning you'll earn the difference between the discounted price and face value as your return. After selecting your desired T-bills, you'll need to place a bid for them. This is where you state the amount you are willing to pay for the bills and submit your bid. If your bid is accepted, congratulations, you've successfully purchased Treasury bills. Your bills will be held in your account until maturity, at which point the face value will be credited back into your account. Once you've confirmed your purchase, the Treasury bills will be added to your account. You can track their performance and cash them in when they mature. And that's it. You've successfully bought Treasury bills. It's a great way to invest in low-risk securities.